old city of Jerusalem is one of the most special places on earth. At the heart of the Jewish, Islamic, and Christian religions, this 1 kilometer area in the center of Jerusalem is beyond words and cannot be missed. The old city is home to the Western Wall, aka Wailing Wall, and in Hebrew Kotel. This is the last remaining wall of what was once the Jewish temple. It is today the holiest site in the world for Jews. Above the Western Wall lies the Dome of the Rock, which is important for Muslims as the site where the Prophet Muhammad was thought to rise to heaven. Just a few minutes walk away lies the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. This is where some believe Jesus was crucified and buried. The old city of Jerusalem splits into 4 quarters: the Jewish quarter, the Armenian Quarter, the Christian Quarter, and the Muslim Quarter. You can enter the walled city through one of 7 entry gates, although the busiest for tourists is the Jaffa Gate, next to which is the Tower of David Museum, providing the history of Jerusalem within the old city walls. Each quarter has its own unique atmosphere and observations, sights, and smells, and experiences.